guys, this is Shanti and you're watching me on my YouTube channel, The Layovi. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this gold berry halo eye makeup look. And if you're watching me in this video for the first time, then thank you so much for taking time out of a day to click on this video and watch this video. Hi, my name is Shanti. I'm from Singapore. I'm a blogger and a YouTuber. I upload content twice weekly, every Tuesdays and Fridays at 6 p.m. and my content usually revolves around beauty product reviews, makeup tutorials, digital tools and productivity tips. And if you like what you see, perhaps you could consider subscribing. All that will be needed for you to is to just click on the subscribe button right down here. Click on it and you will see a bell. Make sure to click on it as well, just so that you'll be updated and notified whenever new videos like this go up on my channel. If you want to know how to recreate this eye look, then please keep on watching. I'm going to be scooting you close. And for the first step, I'm going to be taking a primer like this one. This is from MAC. I'm just going to be using my clean finger, take a little bit of the product and spread the primer evenly onto the eyelids. Take it a little bit along your lower lash line as well, because we're going to be applying a little bit of eyeshadow. I'm going to be using the Sephora's, what do you call it, 8-hour mattifying press powder that looks like this. This is just a skin colored powder. Tap the excess, pat it down. For today's makeup look, I'm going to be using the Pastel God palette because I did get a lot of good feedback from my last mermaid inspired makeup tutorial. So I'm going to be taking this color. This is like a very pale, actually looks much paler in camera. It is a very vibrant looking orangey clementine kind of color, but it looks much lighter. I can assure you that it's much brighter. I'm going to be taking a brush like this, take a little bit of the color, load the brush up, tap the excess off, and I'm going to be starting above the green shield wiper motion, and I'm just going to be dusting the color like so. Building up the color a little bit more, and this time I'm going to be working it lower the lash line, underneath the lash line, lower the lash. I'm going to be taking Love Letter onto a flat shader brush like this one. Always remember to tap the excess off, and I'm going to be building up the color, slanting the brush a little bit on the side. Now with this even smaller brush, I'm going to be taking a little bit of red ochre, this color over here. I'm going to be going a little bit tighter into the crease. Now going back with the brush that I picked up the red eyeshadow, I'm just going to be lightly buffing the color out. All that's needed is for us to cut the crease. I'm going to be going back to the MAC's Soft Ochre Primer, and this time I'm going to be taking it on a brush, and this is the 238 Zoeva's Luxe Precise Shader. You can take this time to carve out your crease however high or dramatic you want the crease to look. I'm going to be taking a small brush like this one, and we're going to be setting the primer down once again, just so that it doesn't move. I'm going to be using the same brush, and this time I'm going to be taking Vermeer, the shade over here, and take any mist of your choice. I'm going to be just misting it lightly before I proceed to press it onto my eyelid. I'm going to be finishing off the furthest end of the eye corner. I'm going to be taking a small Zoeva 310 spot liner brush, and I'm going to be taking Cypress Umber onto this brush and just duplicate a little bit of the depth that we created on this eye. I'm going to be taking the same brown onto the lower lash line as well. There is no product on this brush, any leftover eyeshadow shade. I'm just going to be tapping it so that the brown and the gold blends into one another. Now I'm going to be going back to the Pastel God palette, and I'm going to be using a Zoeva 322 brow line. I'm going to be taking a little bit of the white from the palette and just clean up under the eyebrow. Just stamp the white across. And I'm going to be taking the first brush that we used to deposit the orangey color, and I'm just going to be lightly going over the... I'm going to be taking the same color and intensifying wherever that's needed. Go back and fix anything that needs some precision. I'm going to be taking red ochre once again and build up the color wherever I feel like I've lost some intensity. I'm going to be using this NYX liquid crystal liner, and this is in the shade Crystal Hip, and I'm just going to be laying the color, laying the glitter down onto the first half of the eyelid. So now I'm going to be just applying a thick coat of liner onto my upper lash line, and I'll be back. Now that I'm back with my eyeliner, I'm going to be finishing off the eyes with a little bit of nude kajal on my lower lash line. We're just going to be putting a couple of coats of mascara. I'm going to be using my favorite one at the moment. This is from Essence. Really cost effective. It's not really expensive. It does give you a crazy amount of volume. And it's from the drugstore. I believe this is under $5 if I'm not wrong. $7 or maximum. I believe it's just about $7. I just got back from choosing a lip color. I am going to be using this. This is from Sephora. This is their cream lip stain. I believe this is in the shade 41. I have a full-on lip swatch video. I'll put it right here. I did that for my 25 days of Christmas from 2017. So if you're interested to know more about what I was doing last year's December holidays, then don't forget to check that playlist. So I'm just going to be coating my lips with this. You know what you gotta do. I'm going to be using my Ultra Pro Glow from Makeup Revolution. I'm going to be taking this shade, maybe a little bit of this and this. Just like that. A little bit down the center. So I'm highlighting glow. And you're done. That's it for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoy watching this Halo Gold Berry Eye Makeup look that I put together for you. If you enjoyed, then give this video a big thumbs up and share this with your family and friends. Post it on Facebook and share it on WhatsApp. If you're not subscribed already, please consider doing so. All that will be needed is for you to click on the red rectangle right underneath this video that says subscribe. Make sure to click on it and click the bell icon next to it just as well, so that you'll be updated and notified when new video uploads are going up on my channel. And I shall see you in my next video.